All India Congress Committee has decided to hold a Bharat Nyaya Yatra from January 14 to March 20th from Manipur to Mumbai. January 14 to March 20th from Manipur to Mumbai. We had done Rahul Gandhi led a yatra from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, traveling 4,500 kilometers. That was a historic yatra in Indian political history.